Hello and welcome to this Escape Campus video. Today we are looking at the use and rules of there is and there are. In English, we use there is and there are to describe what we can see. So in this picture, there is a pen on the table. And here, there are 3 girls in the picture. So there is used when the noun is singular or there is only one. For example, there is a dog in the bag. There is a snake in the boot. The form, we have there with the verb to be. This time is because it's singular, with an article, a, noun, snake, preposition, in, article again, the, and the second noun, boot. For the plural is very similar. This time we use there are. So this is where the noun, there is more than one. For example, there are oranges in the bag. There are 4 cars in the photo. So the form is the same, but the verb to be changes because it is plural. We use are. So there are. We then have the noun in the plural form, with a preposition in, article the, and second noun back. In the negative form, we add not at the end. So there is not and there are not. For example, there is not a boy in the class. There are not 3 cakes in the picture. So we have there, the verb be, not, an article or a number here, the noun in singular or plural, a preposition in, article the, and the noun at the end. For the question is also very simple. We swap there and the verb to be, is or are, to become is there, are there. For example, is there a school in your city? Are there 2 cats in the room? So here is the form. First, we have the verb to be, are or is, then there. Next, we have our article, a or a number, then the first noun, then the preposition, another article, and the second noun. Thank you for watching. See you next time.